What's up guys, and welcome to Titan Trading channel. Here in this channel we'll be talking about trading and investing in the Malaysian stock market. We'll be looking at technical charts to see what's actually going on for a particular stock, and I'll be sharing my personal opinion based on my knowledge of technical analysis that I've acquired as a full-time trader. Before we begin in this video, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you find our information helpful. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave a comment down below so we can discuss about it. Just a disclaimer, everything shared on this channel is purely my personal opinion and is done for educational purposes only. I will not give buy and sell calls, and please do not treat anything I say as buy and sell calls. If you wish to be a successful trader, you must be able to conduct your own research and come up with your own decision, especially when executing your own trades. Okay, so in this video, we'll be talking about Ajiya Bhd again, right? If you guys remember, I published the video on Ajiya last week, right? 1 week ago. Right, back then when it was still consolidating, and look at what's happened today, right? It managed to break out from its all-time high of 1 ringgit 79 cents and rally all the way to 1 ringgit 88. Okay, so let's look at the technical charts here. So what pattern is this? Okay, so looks like an ascending triangle pattern breakout. Okay, this is the daily chart. We'll start with the daily chart first. Seems to be good enough. Right, so let me pull out my Fibo tool. Right here, so yeah, supports around 1 ringgit 70 cent, resistance 1 ringgit 79, and right, apparently the new all-time high is 1 ringgit 88. Okay, great. Now, so if you all remember, the last time it was consolidating something like this, right? I believe back then it wasn't an ascending triangle, but more of a symmetrical triangle when it was like that, and then it happened to form an ascending triangle, which is alright too, pretty healthy. Okay, so and today it managed to break out from its 1 ringgit 79 cents resistance all the way to 1 ringgit and 88, and it managed to close on its intraday high as well. This is a bullish Marubozu candle on the daily chart. This is a very strong bullish continuation sign here. All right, now it's been consolidating over the past 2 to 3 months since end of November, right, without much trading volume, right? If you guys remember from the last video, right, so without much volume here, so it is very unlikely that there were huge selling activities that took place here, right? So we could just treat the whole process as a low volume pullback, right? So now heading towards the more important question, so what could be the potential movement right here? Okay, so I think as long as able to sustain above the 1 ringgit 80 cent immediate support, it could continue to go up in this manner, right? Like this, or it could even go parabolic like that, right? Where it's something like that, where it happened the last time during late October last year to November, within 1 month, right? Around 1 month, it surged up from 1 ringgit 20 cent to 1 ringgit and 77, 78. So that's about 48% upside in just 1 month. So we consider that as a parabolic rally after a year long of consolidation, right? At the end here, year long of consolidation. So if you're asking me, am I expecting a parabolic rally, taking it more than 40 to 50% upside? It's hard to say. Right, of course, I sure hope it happens, but it's hard to say. So one reference that we can use, right, which is not always accurate, but sometimes it works. Most of the time it works, right? It is to take the top and bottom of this ascending triangle, right? Draw a ray here, and then you point the breakout here. Okay, so we can roughly estimate how far it could go before the next pullback in a healthy manner, of course, just as a reference, right? So it should be around 2 ringgit and 10 cents, right, before the next pullback, and we'll see how it goes afterwards, right? It could go up, pull back, consolidate, and or it could even go up, drop a bit, and then go higher, or it could go up and do this, right? That is possible, right? To be honest, that is also possible, right? We must never say never, right? When it comes to trading in the stock market, anything is possible. It could be a markup phase, and it operator could be throwing their tickets later on to trap retailers. That could happen, right? Or it could be a healthy uptrend. So we'll see how it goes, right? Only time will tell. So right now, daily chart is a bit overbought for RSI here, right? Overbought. So if it's parabolic, it will most likely ignore all this RSI and continue to go up. So hopefully, we'll get to see some action here in Ajiya, right? Something is definitely brewing here. Sorry. So yeah, that's my update for Ajiya, and stay tuned. I will provide more updates in the coming days or weeks. Yeah, thank you.